Hello everyone, today I will be giving you guys a little tour of the locations I visited when I went to Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for vacation. To begin our trip, we flew from Los Angeles International Airport to Licenciado Gustavo Diaz Ordaz International Airport. The flight from LAX to Puerto Vallarta. The flight approximately in distance-wise is 1,218 miles and is roughly 3 hours long. Arriving at the airport is when our trip officially began in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Here are some little known facts about Puerto Vallarta. It is located on Mexico's Pacific coast in Jalisco State. It is known for its beautiful beaches, marine life, water sports, and local resorts. While on vacation, we visited many of the beaches located nearby and did some sightseeing. Here are some of the locations we visited in no particular order. One of our stops was Playa Los Muertos. Playa Los Muertos translates into Dead Man's Beach or Beach of the Dead. It is a lively place where you can find vendors, activities, food, parasailing, and you can definitely swim in the ocean. The pier was finished in 2013. Many tours and water taxis use this as a starting point to take you to beaches on the south side of the bay. This is one of my favorite beaches, very popular and very beautiful. Another one of our locations that we visited was Plaza de Armas. The Plaza de Armas is located on the Malecon, the boardwalk. The square is known for displaying art with the beautiful church Our Lady of Guadalupe nearby, along with Los Arcos Amphitheater. As you can see, it is a very beautiful church from the inside. This is a very popular area to visit when in Puerto Vallarta. As I mentioned, the Plaza de Armas was located on the Malecon. The Malecon is a boardwalk that is on the center of Puerto Vallarta for tourists. The Malecon boardwalk is a beautiful place to visit day or night. It consists of numerous sculptures. More or less, it's 11 small blocks in the downtown area by the edge of the sea. This is the heart of the local nightlife. During the day, there is plenty of shopping and souvenirs. We enjoyed our evenings here, as it is very well lit and beautiful scenery just to see, and it has some beautiful sunsets. On one of our day trips, we took a trip out to Vallarta Botanical Gardens. We took a drive down where this is located 50 miles south of Puerto Vallarta. It is a fun trip to take where you can enjoy a good hike, a swim in the river, or just enjoy some fresh air among trees, flowers, cacti, birds, and much more. If you do plan on visiting, do not forget your insect repellent. As you can see, all the jungle and everything, you have lots of insects flying. But the beauty beats all. It is just a very natural beautiful place to visit. After visiting the botanical gardens, we went ahead on the same day and stopped at Playa Maloya. This beach is famous for the filming of The Night of the Iguana back in 1960, 62, 63. The ruins of the movie set still remain at the far end of the south of the hill. This is a scene from when they were filming. Another wonderful place we visited was Las Islas Marietas. This was an experience never to forget. This is an adventure that is totally recommended if anyone is traveling to Puerto Vallarta. We used a tour company to get to this location. It is a group of uninhabited islands located about 21.5 miles northwest of Puerto Vallarta. The snorkeling was phenomenal. The hidden beach is undescribable. It's a must visit location. There are many tour companies that will take you out there. This is a location that is a must. You do have to leave early though, because it does get very populated. Another of our go-to beaches was Playa Conchas Chinas. This beach stands out because it combines two geographical highlights: an enclave between the mountainous jungle of the Sierra Madre and the crystalline coast of the Pacific Ocean. There is a great variety of birds and reptiles, and in the natural pools that form along the edge of the sea, you can see all kinds of fish, mollusks, and crustaceans, and much more. This is another great location for snorkeling. Before we ended our trip, we were sure to make a stop at Guale Island Flea Market. Here you can find all kinds of handcrafted souvenirs from bracelets to rings, purses, and backpacks. This island market is surrounded by two rivers. On one side of the market you will find the municipal market where you can have authentic Mexican food. As you can see, my trip to Puerto Vallarta was very relaxing and enjoyable. These are some of the top locations I visited while in Puerto Vallarta. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Adios.